Hi everybody, I'm Carter Klond, co-owner of K-Guard Heartland. You guys have been asking a lot of questions and I wanted to tackle one of the most common questions that I get. Will K-Guard work on my house? I either have a really shallow pitched roof or I have a really steep pitched roof and I don't know if it's going to work or not. So today I'm here to show you the difference in roof pitches and how K-Guard works with all of them. First I want to explain what a roof pitch is. Basically the first number, the higher it is, the steeper the pitch of the roof. So if it's a 1 or a 3, that's going to be a very shallow pitched roof, which is going to be very easy to walk on. When you get up to 9 and 12, that's going to be steeper, and you're not going to be able to walk on that without special roofing shoes. In some cases, it can even go all the way up to 24, but most of you aren't going to find that in a residential circumstance. So here we have a 312 pitch roof. As you can see, when I move the sample here, the water runs over just like it should. Now we're going to move to a 612 pitch. This is what I would call average. This is going to be the most common pitch roof of all the houses in Kansas City. As you can see, the water is rolling around just like it should into the gutter. Here we have a 912 pitch. As you can see, the water is rolling around just like it should. One common question that we get, I have a really steep pitched roof. This is a 1212 pitch. This is going to be one of the steepest pitched roof in a residential circumstance. As you can see, it's handling all the water just like it's supposed to. Thanks again for watching this video. If you have any more questions, visit our website at kguardheartland.com. Feel free to send us a message and we'll be more than happy to answer any other questions you guys have.